Hi, it's Zoe, and welcome back to another episode of Kids Cooking with Zoe. Today we're making a South African grilled cheese recipe. It's called Braaibroodjie. And here's the ingredients you need. Geez Louise, guys, it's been quite a while since I've seen your lovely smiling faces. Please be smiling, because I don't want to mess up this video. But get used to this because I'm getting right back at my schedule and we're gonna do lots more videos. So I've been studying Africa, and so that really inspired me because I just love Africa. Inspired me to do the South African grilled cheese recipe because I love grilled cheese and I love Africa. So let's get to it. So first we're gonna wash our hands, which I've already done. So now I'm gonna thinly slice the onions. So now that our onions are thinly sliced, we're gonna melt the butter on medium heat. Now we're gonna thinly slice the tomatoes and use the garlic press to press the garlic. Now we're gonna add the garlic, the onions, and the tomatoes to the pan. Add salt and pepper to taste. Butter the butt. Oh.
Butter the butt.
Wow, that is something we need in this episode. That is definitely
butter the
butt. Okay, now we're gonna butter the bread on both sides. Now we're going to add a slice of Gruyere cheese, to be precise, on 2 slices of bread. Now we're going to put a spoonful of the tomato onion mixture on 2 slices of bread and try not to add so much liquid. Now we're going to put a spoonful of mango chutney on the 2 slices of bread too. Now we're going to put another layer of Gruyere cheese on top of the 2 slices of bread. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter into the pan, and then when it's melted, you're going to add the sandwiches and cook until it's golden brown and the cheese is melted, or 3 minutes on each side. Now since the 3 minutes is done, we're gonna flip them. Sometimes you have to call the reinforcements. Now they're done, so we're gonna add them to the plate. Here's our taste tester.
Our little guy doesn't like mangoes and onions, so Mommy's stepping in. You can take it back too. Oh wow. It's really good.
Okay, take a break, Zoe. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!